Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are anything like me, when you think of Luneta Park right after Philippine Independence Day, you probably picture a massive bustling crowd, right? It's not always like this. There are no tents. These tents were mounted because of the commemoration of the independence. Well, I decided to check it out myself just after the commemoration, and what I found was entirely unexpected. Instead of the usual throngs, I discovered a surprisingly serene, almost reflective side of this iconic national park. It was a completely different vibe, and honestly, it gave me a unique opportunity to connect with this place on a deeper level. Walking through Luneta today felt almost like stepping into a peaceful oasis in the heart of Manila. The air felt crisp, the pathways were open, and you could really take in the scale of everything around you. Every corner, every pathway just exudes a sense of history and quiet grandeur. While I usually thrive on the energy of crowded places, this calm allowed me to truly appreciate the intricate details, the architecture, and the sheer beauty of the landscape that often gets lost in the usual hustle and bustle. I haven't been to this part of the park. It's fascinating, isn't it? Even without the usual fanfare, this park holds so much significance. You can almost feel the echoes of history in the air. Luneta, or Rizal Park as it's also known, isn't just a pretty place. It's a monumental part of Philippine history. From its origin as Bangubayan Field, the site of countless historical events, to its current role as a national symbol, it really is a living museum. And to experience it in this quiet state, it felt like I was getting a rare, intimate look at its soul. It's truly a place where you can just breathe and reflect. So let's see what we can get here. Of course, no walk in the park is complete without a little treat. Even in this quiet atmosphere, I stumbled upon a true beacon of joy, an ice cream vendor. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How are you? This is dirty ice cream. That's how you call it.
Sorbetes, the original.
It's the original.
Sorbetes.
Sorbetes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Mamang Sorbetero.
Mamang
Sorbetero.
Mamang Sorbetero.
Yeah.
That's your name.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a very nice name. It sounds like Spanish. Are you Spanish? All right. Okay. How much is it?
25,
Yeah.
50.
I just need for 25.
Okay.
That's 25 peso.
Yeah.
All right.
All
Okay.
flavors?
Yeah, all flavors.
Okay.
Also, we're gonna try all flavors ice cream. That's for 25 peso. And look at this. What better way to enjoy a serene afternoon than with a classic Filipino ice cream? Yummy, yummy. Wow. It's these small unexpected interactions that really add a sprinkle of magic to an adventure. As I continued my walk, a powerful presence began to dominate the horizon, the Rizal Monument. Standing here looking at it from a distance, you can't help but feel the weight of its significance. This isn't just a statue, it's a national shrine, a symbol of immense courage, sacrifice, and the very foundation of Philippine independence. Just after Independence Day, standing before this monument, it makes you pause and truly appreciate the profound legacy of Dr. Rizal. His ideals, his fight for freedom through peaceful means, and ultimately, his sacrifice right here in Luneta reverberate through time. It's a powerful reminder of the journey the nation has taken and the enduring spirit of the Filipino people. It's a place that inspires both reflection and immense pride. Every time I visit, I feel a renewed sense of purpose and gratitude for the freedom the country enjoys. So while Luneta might not have been the bustling hub I anticipated, it offered something even more meaningful, a moment of quiet reflection, a deeper appreciation of its history, and a chance to truly connect with its serene beauty. It goes to show, sometimes the most memorable adventures are the ones that surprises you. I hope you enjoyed this unique perspective on Luneta Park. Have you ever visited this incredible place? Or perhaps another historical site that deeply moved you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring. I'm out.